Do you have a carpet cleaning machine? I do. I have this one. I really do like it. I have a video up about it. Do you have a favorite carpet cleaning solution? I tested all of these in my carpet cleaner, and I'm going to share with you my findings. This is a great product. This is Resolve. The has the 5-time benefits. To me, this one smells really good. It has a very strong detergent type scent that when you walk down the detergent aisle at a store, it smells like that. It has the clean smell. It doesn't have a weird fruit smell or a rancid smell or anything like that. I was very pleased with this. Very pleased with the cleaning capacities of this. Also, this smells great. This smells clean, but not overwhelmingly clean. It just has a really nice scent. And this is actually the one that I prefer. It is a great cleaner, has the best smell. This would be my second favorite. This stuff is awesome. Really big fan of it. Those two are good. These are my favorites. The Resolve and the Bissell Pro. So much, in fact, that I have them on Amazon Subscribe and Save and get 2 a month. Just while I'm doing the deep cleaning and getting everything up to par, and then I'll back off a little bit. But these two I'm very, very happy with. They clean well, smell great, and just have to work out the pouring issue with that one. They need to do a better design on that. Those are my favorites. This is actually some very old formula that previous tenants in my house, I believe, had left here. I'm not sure how I came across this. It smelled great, so I started using this in the bedroom where it wasn't really that dirty, because this seemed to be mostly not for deep cleaning but for scent. So it did smell good, and still the bottle still smells good, but as far as using it for deep cleaning, I don't think it would be good. This is also some older that I had, because I had a Bissell Little Green, the little portable type thing, and I just ran out of cleanser and thought, well, I'll just try this. They don't recommend that you do that, but it cleaned okay, and I just needed to get a pathway cleared. I wouldn't buy this to use in a big machine. This I ordered from Walmart pickup because I was just trying to get cleaners to get my carpet clean when I had some time, and I was not a fan of this at all. It has a terrible, terrible, terrible scent. It's supposed to be, I guess, citrusy smelling, but it smells like oranges that have gone bad. If you've ever had oranges that started having mold grow on them, that's what this smelled like. It just, I will never buy this again. I don't recommend it. If you have pets, then maybe the citrusy smell counteracts the smell of pet deposits on carpet, but this fresh scent was not for me. This is also a pet friendly formula, and it also has a citrusy smell, so I'm thinking that they're putting citrus in things that are for pets because it counterbalances, but I just did not like the smell at all. I don't have pets in this house, and I was just, like I said, I bought this because it's what Walmart had for pickup, but I didn't care for the smell for either of the pet-friendly versions. So those, no. Then, because much of what was driving me crazy about my carpet was just the smell, it had not been cleaned in years, if ever, I thought, well, I'm just going to put some Fabuloso in places that I've already cleaned and see if it will work. And it did. It made it smell really, really good. So if you like the smell of this, now Fabuloso is not a cleaner. It's just not going to do anything for your carpet other than make it smell good. If you put warm water in there, then it's going to, clean your carpet, but it's not going to clean like the detergents will. If you're just looking to kind of freshen up a carpet that's not too dirty, it worked. I also just put ammonia in to see what it would do, because I had an area that was particularly stinky. So I thought, well, I'm going to see if this will clean it, and it did. I'm not a fan of the smell of ammonia, not even lemon ammonia, but it did clean okay in a pinch. But this is going to be the best thing if you want to make it smelling good, like if you're going to have a party or something and you've got time for it to to dry, fully dry before you're going to have people on it, that would be something that you could use. For cleaning, these two are my favorite. This one being the top one, that one being the second one. My carpet cleaner has a water tank that I used to fill from the tap. There's a water line, and then there's a solution line. The Bissell Pro bottle is designed so that it's easy to pour into my water tank, but the Resolve container is not designed to easily pour in there. You can see that it drips, but that's easily remedied by using a funnel. This video is not a scientific test showing you which one cleans the best, because I use them in various stages on different parts of my carpet. I didn't have them all at the same time. I'm just showing you the bottles of the ones that I use and giving you my input on which ones clean the best, which of course were the Bissell and the Resolve. If you'll check in the text below this video and also in the comment section, I'll provide links for these products that I like or the closest thing that I can find. So here's one issue you can expect. Once that you put the solution in there, it is going to bubble up when you start trying to add the water, so you just have to keep on coming up and know that that's going to happen. Check in the text below this video and also in the comments section. I'll provide a link for either this exact product or something similar. It helps me out if you use that link. Thanks a bunch. Thanks for watching my video review of all of these types of carpet cleaners that I use in my carpet cleaner. Remember, it's free to like the video, give it a thumbs up. You can leave a comment telling us what you like, what you don't like, helping us be better consumers. If you have time before you go, watch another video. I have a video review of this great product here. Thanks.